What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July weekend. It was nice to just get away. I hope people, traveled, hung out with family, saw fireworks. I went down to Virginia Beach with my girlfriend and my 2 dogs. That was a lot of fun. I really did enjoy it. Let's see if you guys can notice anything different. That's right, I changed my carbon fiber hood. I had the Black Ops carbon fiber hood, the Demon style, and I really tried to get used to it, and I just never could, even in photos. And I think it looked better in person at some points, like whenever some angles I would like it, then sometimes I would see it and I'd just be like, I don't know what I'm doing with this thing. So for me, it never really grew on me. And nothing against Black Ops, it was a great hood. It just wasn't for me. I like the subtle touches of carbon fiber. That's why I have the little rear wing. And I am getting a couple of other pieces from them, so we'll see how it turns out. So the hood is for sale if you're interested in the Demon hood. I live in New York, so hit me up on Instagram or leave a comment below, and we'll try to work something out. But yeah, so the point of this video is not the hood anyway. The point of this video is to talk about the #1 question I've been getting asked, which is, how much did it cost to rebuild my motor and throw in the big cam from Modern Muscle Extreme? I can never say that. Modern Muscle Extreme, whatever. So that is the #1 question. I have all my receipts, all my paperwork, so that's something we're going to talk about now. What's going on over here? Guys watching me? Security guard over here? Just watch me. All right, so let's get into this. I'm gonna pull up my calculator. Damn, it's another hot day, man. All right, so let's start off with what I got from Modern Muscle. See, bro, I'm always having trouble with that. Modern Muscle Extreme. All right, so from them, I got the 6.4 Forged 2618 drop-in pistons and rod power package. And also I've got the custom grind performance camshaft. So that cost me, well, it also came with other stuff, so I guess I might as well read it all. Came with the coated rod bearings and premium main bearings, MLX Hemi 5-layer head gaskets by Cometic. Then the camshaft package was with the 6.4 liter 392 1511 Beehive valve spring kit, a new cam bolt, the Trend Point 080 wall premium push rods, 6.4 camshaft swap gasket kit, and then the Hemi MDS Delete kit with a full set of lifters and plugs. So that cost me, just from MMX alone, with all that stuff, was $45.97 and 90. So it was $4,597.91. And I'm not making it up. I'm just not trying to show any of my information, but see if it picks it up. So you see the total there, so you know I'm not lying. And then let me just hide my information real quick. And then you can see that the camshaft, and then all the stuff that came also. So that was all the stuff in the beginning. Then my shop. So I deal with TNA Motorsports. I mentioned them multiple times. Best shop in New York or tri-state area or wherever. Probably even in the world. I mean, I'm biased. They're my shop, but honestly, great group of guys there. If you live in New York or anything like that, you're looking for anything to do to your car, definitely hit up Alan at TNA Motorsports. So this was. Now everything's gonna be different, because if you live somewhere else, labor could be cheaper. Your shop can also disagree with the part that my shop said I should put in my engine. So this is everything that my shop's recommended I go with. So a lot of it's Mopar replacement stuff, because they just want to start off with new stuff. And then I'll just go through it. Timing, cover gaskets, crankshaft shield seals, Mopar replacement oil pan gaskets, Mopar replacement oil pickup tube seals, Mopar replacement engine oil indicator O-rings. This is all Mopar stuff. Exhaust manifold gaskets, intake manifold gasket seals, PCV valve components, crankshaft rear oil seal retainers, Mopar replacement valve cover gaskets. And then you have other stuff. Stanky Motorsports Gen 3 Hemi MDS plugs. There are also their rocker shaft stabilizers. Then we needed the Hemi. So we got the ARP head stud kit, then the main stud kit, the Manley Race Flow intake valves, then the Manley Race Master exhaust valves, and then a new set of Brisk Silver Racing spark plugs. And then they quoted me at the labor of $3,500, but we won't get into that yet. So plus I had to pay tax on that stuff, which is New York City tax. So I'm just gonna, let me see. So whatever, I'm just gonna tell you what I paid and then you guys can just figure it out. So I have to pay tax on all that stuff. So let me show you, cover my information. So this is everything on that list. Try to go through it slow because I know it takes a little while for the autofocus to pick it up. So that's everything right there. And then the total that it cost me was this. Which is $2,930.91. So like I said, if you live outside New York, obviously your taxes are cheaper. That's just what I had to pay. And I also did it on my credit card because, you know, right now I'm in the process of doing a whole bunch of other things. So I throw it on my card, which is fine. I don't really give a shit. So that's that. So right now our total with just parts is $7,528.82. So that's just for all the parts. Did that also include? I thought that included something else. Oh, it did. So that price also included $575 in for the tuning. The tuning was like $1,000, but I think I paid half there, and then I paid the other half here. So when I was going through the whole process, they were tearing down my engine block. Everything was good, except you guys know I took my car to the Jeep dealership about 5 times, I believe. They did all kinds of things, fuel injectors, they changed the cam, gaskets, they changed a whole bunch of crap. Nothing ever was fixed. So I ended up having a scratched crank bearing. So I had to go to the machine shop. That was an extra $250. I'm not going to add that into my total because, you know, that just happened for me. So, and I also had another problem was the oil pickup tube was there was like shards of metal, I guess, from, you know, whatever they ruined in my car. I'm talking about the Jeep dealership. I had to get that, and I also had to get what's the other piece? There was something else I had to get that was another $200. But like I said, this stuff just pertained to me, my engine block. Fortunately, that's what it was. So this is the labor. The labor was $3,500. So I'm not going to count in the other stuff that I had to pay. Then $560 for the rest of the tuning. And then the new fuel injectors, we went with the Dodge Demon 700cc OEM fuel injectors with plug and plug connector harness. That was $625. Then you got to pay for credits to get the tuning done. So ours was done, we used Kurt from Dusterhoff Tuning, but you got to tune it through HP Tuners. So that 6 HP tuner credits, that's for, I believe 3's for the transmission, 3 for the engine, or I don't know how it works or where it goes, but that was $300. And then tuning time was $235, and then plus tax. So let me add in the labor, $3,500. I'm not going to add in that stuff. I'll add in the other tune. So that's $560 plus the fuel injectors plus the tuning credits. All right, so my total Now just imagine if you know how to fix cars and you know how to do this stuff, then all the power to you, because you would save yourself a lot of money. But this is how much it cost me. That's crazy. $12,513.82. So I knew going into this it was going to be expensive. So, you know, I was prepared for it. I knew what I was getting into. And like I said, I mean, since my channel started, I mean, I had plans for this thing from the beginning. So that's what I planned on doing. I planned on reforging my engine, rebuilding it, getting the big cam, getting the long tube headers, getting it tuned, everything like that. So everything is done now. My engine, basically I could throw the kitchen sink at it. It should have no issues at all. No issues at all. So right now, I told you, right now we're just working on the tunes a little bit. But as of right now, I mean, I haven't taken it back to the shop. I just have the O2 sensor lights on. So we're waiting for some new tune files. But honestly, right now, the biggest thing is just breaking in the engine. So I've been driving it around. I didn't take it down to Virginia Beach because obviously I don't want to risk going, you know, 6-hour drive and God forbid anything ever happened. You know, it's something, you know, I'd be screwed. I'd have to pay for a tow truck to bring it all the way back. So I wasn't risking that. So I'm still in the break-in period. Right now I think I have maybe 300 miles on it. Like I said, I was away for about 5 days, so I really didn't get to drive it too much. But I'm back now. I'm gonna be driving it today for a while, driving it tomorrow. You know, pretty much driving every day, just kind of putting some more mileage on it. So that's the whole game plan for it now. But yeah, so I mean, I told you what my game plan was. I'm gonna enjoy the car for a while. I finally just got it back, so I'm gonna pay this off, do some more cosmetic stuff to the car, and then the future, you know, we'll see what happens with you know, we'll see which way we want to boost it, what we want to throw on it, either a Pro Charger. I'm thinking most likely I'm leaning towards a new Whipple, but we'll see. Turbo, I don't know yet. I mean, I don't really track the car or anything like that. I don't really plan on it. I mean, I probably will in the future take it to a track just to kind of mess around. I've never been to one. I've never driven on a track, so you know, that'd be a cool experience, and plus it'd be awesome content for you guys. So I'll probably do that in the future, but otherwise, you know, this is just pure enjoyment. It's my daily driver. It's just something I always want to do, and now I finally can. So, you know, yeah, so it's gonna be a short video. I mean, I just want to answer everybody's questions of how much it costs. Like I said, if you can do the labor yourself, you save yourself some money. I mean, you could probably tune it other ways too. I know a lot of people buy Diablo. They send you the file right there. You just go back, email stuff. So I know you probably just have to buy the remote. I mean, you can probably do the same thing with HP tuners. I'm learning as I go, so I'm not gonna, you know, start buying all this equipment and start trying to do stuff myself. I'd rather have my shop do it. I trust them. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys. All the new subs, we finally have 450 subs, which is awesome. On the road to 500, so I can't wait for that. That's awesome. I'll probably try to do a little giveaway at 500 because, you know, it's halfway to 1,000, which is crazy. I mean, you know, I'm gonna keep grinding, man. I enjoy doing these videos. It really is fun, and like I said, now I got the car back. I'm gonna be doing more stuff, so, you know, just stay tuned. So yeah, I appreciate you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And catch you on the next one. Peace.